Hi, I'm Nanak. I'm the Chief Business Officer at RIOD EV Limited. Currently, we are manufacturing EV chargers, and in order to scale up our chargers to all over India, we are inviting business partners from all states in India. Currently, we have a network of business partners who are assisting us in our vision, but we are also open to establish ourselves with business partners in each and every state in India. We have a dedicated team of technical experts as well as good service support who can provide you with the back-end necessities. And thus, we want to build ourselves as one of the biggest manufacturers as well as a good service provider in the EV charging solution space.
Hi, my name is Akhil. I'm the CEO and Director at RIOD. When we started RIOD, our vision was to manufacture IoT products and solutions. We are currently manufacturing various products in energy and EV domain. We are manufacturing EV chargers in various outputs, and we have happy clients in India as well as globally. We have exported products to UK market, and we are in talk with the various companies in India as well as globally in order to expand our EV charger solutions. We are also launching new sets of products in the energy and EV domain. We have also established a bigger and better production facility, scalable production facility, in order to cater the various demands of the EV users as well as in the energy domain.
Hi, I am Anis, CTO of RIOD. Innovation is our core DNA. We are the leaders in IoT and smart connected products and solutions. Using our technology, there are 20,000 plus products in the market. Me and my team is working on multiple latest technology for global clients.
Hi, myself Deepu. I am the Director of Products at RIOD. We can establish scalable production unit for EV chargers and connected products. We have the automated test setups and strict quality process to ensure the reliability and quality of each of the product dispatched from our production unit. With our new facility, we can manufacture volume products in EV and connected solutions.
Hi, my name is Ajay Desilvarghese, working as Chief Marketing Officer at RIOD. Basically, we are manufacturing EV charging stations. Most of the EV owners have a very big nightmare about how they can charge their vehicles during their daily routines and all. So we are trying to solve this particular issue by providing the concept of charge everywhere. Actually, the concept of charge everywhere, all the EV owners will get the facility to charge their vehicles during their daily routines like that whenever they have and whenever they go for in restaurants or whenever they go for in religious places and in their apartments and all. So, to achieve this charge everywhere concept, RIOD is manufacturing EV charging stations and deploying it in a global manner so that we can contribute a lot to the zero carbon emission.